now 3 600mm. I hope all the telephoto zoom lens users can find the best suit lens from these 3 lenses. 150 to 600 is for the casual shooting. 150 to 600 sports is for more serious photographers who prioritize the quality over the size and weight. And this 60 to 600mm sports is those who require the versatility with the high optical performance. So now I'd like to share with you the short video. In this short film, the French outdoor photographer talks about the versatility of this lens and the benefit using it in outdoor. So could you turn up the light? Thank you very much. Please enjoy.
Je m'appelle Olivier Henrico, je suis photographe professionnel et je travaille pour des journaux et magazines en France et à travers le monde. En tant que professionnel, j'ai besoin d'avoir une confiance absolue en mon matériel. Je travaille le plus souvent à l'extérieur, dans des environnements très variés et dans des conditions qui sont parfois très changeantes. Il faut donc être paré à toute éventualité. Et même quand la météo est clémente, c'est parfois le sujet lui-même qui complique le contexte dans lequel je vais devoir opérer. Dans de très nombreux cas, voyager léger est indispensable. Par exemple, dans une région montagneuse comme le parc des Grands Causses. Pour moi, réactivité et polyvalence sont des qualités indispensables. En fait, plus qu'indispensables, essentielles. Parce que je sais que l'on n'est jamais à l'abri d'une surprise. Et aussi parce que la vie est toujours en mouvement. Je peux avoir prévu de photographier un sujet très éloigné et flasher tout à coup sur l'infiniment petit. Ce sont les circonstances qui décident. En fait, pour moi, l'important c'est regarder, pas me préoccuper sans cesse de mon matériel, car je dois rester disponible en permanence. Et pour ça, il faut un outil qui se fait oublier, et dont la qualité des images, elle, est inoubliable. Exactement comme le 66 en sport.
Thank you very much for your time. We will start shipping of this lens October next month. And the price of this lens will be €1,899, including VAT. Next, second lens from sports line is 70 to 200 f2.8 DG-OS HSM Sports. This lens is also available in Sigma SA mount, Canon EF mount, and Nikon F mount. What we aim with this lens is to achieve the best-in-class optical quality, optical performance. In order to achieve this goal, we decided to use 9 FLD glasses and 1 SLD glass. FLD glass has almost exactly the same characteristic as fluorite. As far as I know, there is no lens which uses 9 fluorides or fluoride equivalent optical glass. So that way, we believe we achieved our goal. And also, we do not forget about the robustness of the lens body. We use several magnesium parts to maintain the robustness. Of course, these new magnesium parts are produced in our new magnesium factory. Dust and splash proof also applies to this lens. This lens is completely shielded with the O-rings. And with the introduction of this lens, now we have the 3 f2.8 zoom lenses. 14 to 24 f2.8, 24 to 72.8 art, and 70 to 200 2.8 sports. So today, besides the journalists or press people here, we have some business partners over there, dealers or distributors. So I'd like to humbly propose to sell these lenses to your customers as a kit. It will be a great business opportunity for you guys. And some of you may become aware that Sigma has another f2.8 zoom lens. That is 120 to 300 f2.8. So business folks, if you sell these 4 lenses as a kit, that will be an even greater business opportunity. You can make money. But I'd like to remind you one more thing. Maybe you understand what I'm going to say, but please be quiet because this is the best part of my presentation. Sigma has another f2.8 zoom lens. Here it is. 200 to 800 f2.8. So business folks, if you sell these 5 lens kit in a month, you don't need to work hard. If you sell this one, maybe you should go to Hawaii and spend a day on the beach for the rest of the month. This is my humble proposal to you. So let me get back to the 70 to 200. 70 to 200 we start shipping in December. Price has not been determined yet, but we are considering to set it probably 1,300 to 1,600 euro range, including VAT. Next is our cine lens.